This is easily the #1 issue that new print-on-demand Etsy stores make every single time. So over the last few weeks, I have been meeting with a lot of users of Teleport and Portals, our print-on-demand softwares that allow people to connect our print farms into their stores. I've been having conversations with some of the sellers who have sold over $1,000 worth of merchandise. And the questions I always ask them is, what are you selling? How are you doing it? How are your photos? How's your layout and all that kind of thing? And then we always get to one single question, which always the answer is no. And it shouldn't be. It should be an obvious and quick and instant yes. And that #1 question is, have you turned on Etsy ads? And almost always, they say no, and they need to. I cannot make this clear enough. If you are selling products on Etsy and you have listed the product and you have gotten a couple of sales with that product, you need to instantly and immediately turn on Etsy ads. It's easier. It's over in marketing, and then you go to your ads dashboard, and then you go through and you turn on ads, and then you say minimum spend $5 a day for 5 days and see what happens. You will be amazed how much it increases your sales. The reason this is so important is because if you buy Etsy ads, your listing immediately becomes the #1 listing. If you have competition, all the other competition probably isn't running ads, which means that you just became the #1 search result ahead of them because you checked a box. That's the first thing. But then also, Etsy advertising is very, very efficient. If you have a product that is already selling organically, turning on ads will generally give you a ROAS of about 3. ROAS is return on ad spend. So if you spend $1, you make $3. That is what the ROAS means. So you need to make sure that you turn on these ads in order to get as many sales as you possibly can. And quite frankly, if you haven't been able to get a hold of $25, go beg, barter, steal, or drive Uber for an hour. Get a hold of $25 and turn on ads just once. You don't need new photos. You don't need new listings or anything else. You literally just need to flip a switch and your sales will increase. Now, many people are scared about this because they think, oh, well, it's gonna run away and I'm not gonna be able to spend it. No. You set the budget and you say spend $25. $5 a day for 5 days for 1 or 2 products that have sold before. That's all you gotta do. And then it won't run away. And you keep an eye as you increase it. But you have to get used to it. It won't run away. It's not trying to steal you. Etsy is not trying to rip you off. They're trying to sell your thing for you. And it costs money to put it on Facebook and Instagram and everything else. So it's not some con that Etsy's trying to do. It's a very legitimate and stupidly useful tool. Turn on the ad. Make sure that you have a ROAS of at least 2, in that you spend $1 on ads and you get $2 back. And if you're hitting that metric, increase the budget until it starts to drop below. Okay, hopefully everybody now understands this. Turn on your Etsy ads.